You already know automation would help your business. Less manual work, more consistent follow-up, clients showing up, paying on time, and leaving reviews without you having to chase them. But here's the problem. Most automation tools feel like they're built for people who code, or teams with marketing departments and IT support. If you're running a cleaning business, you don't have time to figure out workflows, triggers, or what a pipeline even means. That's exactly why we built Webby. Our system runs on Go High Level, a powerful CRM and automation platform. But instead of giving you a blank dashboard and saying good luck, we built the entire system for you. It's already loaded with everything you need: lead capture pages, quote automations, appointment reminders, review follow-ups, and a CRM to track it all. You don't need a developer. You don't need to write a single message. You don't need to hire a tech team. Just launch the system and let it do the work. If you're ready to automate your cleaning business without touching the tech, click the link in the description and access the Webby system built on Go High Level.